Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, towing package, OnStar communication system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.